Biodiversity. Question 1. Consider the following pairs with reference to the captive breeding programs, Park Sanctuary, State. 1. Katraj Snake Park, Maharashtra. 2. Devliya Safari Park, Gujarat. 3. Ramnagar Vulture Sanctuary, Kerala. 4. Arignar Anna Zoological Park, Bihar. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. Only three pairs. D. All four pairs. Question 2. With reference to the biodiversity conservation in India, consider the following statements. 1. It is mandatory for individuals, institutions, both Indian and foreign, which are extracting biological resources to take prior approval and share benefits with the local community. 2. India has notified access and benefit sharing regulations to give effect to Cartagena Protocol. 3. Ayush practitioners are exempted from getting prior approval for accessing biological resources under the Biodiversity Act of 2002. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 3. Consider the following statements. 1. The National Biodiversity Authority is an executive body established through the order of a cabinet committee headed by the Prime Minister. 2. The state biodiversity boards focus on advising the state governments, subject to any guidelines issued by the central government. 3. Charges of biopiracy are treated as civil offences under the Biodiversity Act 2002. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following pairs, Tiger Reserves State Region. 1. Dudhwa Uttar Pradesh. 2. Damp Arunachal Pradesh. 3. Sitandyudanti Odisha. 4. Kaval Andhra Pradesh. How many pairs given above are incorrectly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. Only three pairs. D. All four pairs. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. 1. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve in India which is the source region of major tributaries of river Mahandi. 2. The reserve includes evergreen, semi-evergreen, dry and moist deciduous, shoalers and grassland types of vegetation. 3. Dodh Betta is the highest peak of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 6. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to the Biological Diversity Act, 2002? A. The Act was enacted to meet the obligations under the Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD. B. The Act envisaged a two-tier structure, center and state level, to regulate the access to biological resources. C. The Act exempts endemic resources that are traditionally used as commodities. D. None of the above-mentioned statements is incorrect. Question 7. It is a national park, a tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve. It is part of an elephant reserve and includes protected areas such as Hadgar Wildlife Sanctuary and Kuldiha Wildlife Sanctuary. It derives its name from the abundance of red silk cotton trees growing in the area. The main waterfalls in the protected area are the Barehipani Falls and the Joranda Falls. Which of the following is referred to in the above lines? A. Devang Dehang Biosphere Reserve. B. Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. C. Dibru-Sakhova National Park. D. Simlipal National Park. Question 8. It is a subspecies of Central Asian red deer endemic to Kashmir and surrounding areas. It is found in dense riverine forests in the high valleys and mountains of Jammu and Kashmir and northern Himachal Pradesh. In Kashmir, it is found primarily in the Dachigam National Park where it receives protection, and elsewhere it is more at risk. Which of the following species is referred to in the above lines? A. Swamp deer. B. Nilgai. C. Sangai deer. D. Hangul. Question 9. Consider the following pairs regarding the protected areas and the tribes residing in them. Protected areas tribes. 1. Agasthyamlai Reserve Mankidia. 2. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve Todas. 3. Valmiki Tiger Reserve Tharu. 4. Simlipal Tiger Reserve Kanikaran. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. Only three pairs. D. All four pairs. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding protected areas. 1. Ranthambore Tiger Reserve is situated at the junction of the Aravalli and Vindhya Hill ranges. 2. Periyar Tiger Reserve in Kerala is situated in the Anaimlai Hills of southern Western Ghats. 3. Kalakkad Mundanthurai Tiger Reserve located in the Western Ghats is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. None of the above.